Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter V. Capital V, little v. What words begin with V? Violet, V-I-O-L-E-T. The word violet begins with the letter V. There are several different types of violets. This one is known as the African violet. Violets have colorful flowers. Viper, V-I-P-E-R. Vipers are a class of snake that have poisonous fangs. You can tell a viper by its triangle-shaped head and the markings on its skin. The one shown is a copperhead. The viper slithered over the floor. Violin, V-I-O-L-I-N. This musical instrument is played by drawing a bow over its strings. The violin played at high volume. What sound does the letter V represent? V. Can you say V? Very good. V, the 22nd letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.